This recipe video is sponsored by DOWAN, who sent us this lovely oval serving tray. It has a beautiful clear glaze finish on white porcelain. You can see it's just a nice, lovely, simple, and elegant serving dish. And today we're going to make a lovely pear and ginger freeform tart to highlight its shape and give you a lovely presentation for a family-style dessert for your guests. For our pear tart, we've sliced 3 to 4 pears so that they're about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch thick, and you just want to get those ready before you get started. We're going to add to this our melted butter, our granulated sugar, and some powdered ginger and cinnamon. And we're going to just toss this all together lightly. We have our pie dough all rolled out and ready to go, and we've placed it on a baking tray that we've lined with foil and greased lightly with butter. That's going to help it brown up and keep it from sticking. If you're using pre-made pie dough, which is perfectly fine if you don't have your own recipe that you love already, you can just bake off circular tarts and cut them into nice, skinny, stylish wedges to achieve a really similar effect. But I like doing nice kind of long oblongs and rectangles and then cutting them into like skinny little slices. I'm just gonna pre-dock my dough and then start layering down my little coated slices of pear, leaving a border around the edge. We've finished arranging our little pear slices. So I'm just going to use a little egg wash. So 1 large egg with a tablespoon of water, just whisk it up, and you can use your pastry brush to just gently brush the edges, and that'll help it stick when you're folding it over and give it the little occasional crimp just to give it a nice rustic, beautiful feel. And once we're done with these finishing touches, we're going to pop it in a 400-degree oven and bake it until the crust is nice and brown and our fruit is tender. We pulled our tart out of the oven after 45 minutes when our crust was nice and golden brown and our fruit was nice and tender. And you can see we've cut it in these beautiful diagonal shaped wedges. And we're just going to go ahead and use these on our lovely plate and make a nice styled presentation. And I'm going to finish it by just adding some little drizzles of raspberry sauce. You can use raspberry coulis or anything you want, or nothing at all. And I'm going to use some whipped cream and some candied almonds and just a little bit of candied ginger as well. So we have everything all plated and our little delicious pear and ginger tart is ready to eat. And we hope that you enjoyed this lovely video.